Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you the easiest way to know how many total videos you have uploaded on your YouTube channel. So without wasting a minute more, let's get started with the video. So first of all, on your mobile device, or you can also do it on a browser, you just have to go to youtube.com, or you just have to open the YouTube app. And then here in the search box, you just have to enter the name of the channel for which you want to know the total number of videos they have uploaded. You can also do it for your own channel. So I'm going to show you for my channel. So I'm going to enter getassist.net. So as you can see, my channel is showing up at the top, and it also shows the total number of videos that I have uploaded. So that is 424. So that's how you can also check total YouTube videos that have been uploaded on any channel, including your channel as well. So yeah, that was all for this topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And for any issues or queries, you can reach out to the comment section down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where you will find a lot of troubleshooting articles and tech related content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.